Activate dark mode on Facebook. Hey guys, okay? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you all the steps to activate dark mode here on Facebook. Updated video, I'm doing this process on the computer. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the profile you want to put in dark mode. So I'm going to click on your profile picture up here, and I'm going to choose the option, See All Profiles. After you've chosen your profile, you'll click on your profile picture and choose the Settings and Privacy option. In Settings and Privacy, you'll choose the Settings option. In Settings, you'll come over here to this side menu here on the side. Go down a little bit and it's going to be here, guys, the dark mode option. You're going to click on it. It's going to be disabled by default, and you just have to click here to activate it. Click here on enabled, and you can also choose the best option down here. Got it? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be staying here. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.